Hit the nail on the head. Hit the nail on the head means to be exactly right or to identify the precise truth or cause of a situation. Let's look at some example sentences. He hit the nail on the head by identifying lack of training as a main problem. You hit the nail on the head when you said we should watch a comedy tonight since we all need a good laugh. Let's do an exercise to better remember the idiom. For the given sentence, replace a word or words with the idiom so that the meaning of the sentence is not changed. You have 5 seconds. Pause the video if you need more time. The detective was completely correct when he said the thief entered through the open window. The detective hit the nail on the head when he said the thief entered through the open window. Now it's your turn. Write a practice sentence in the comments. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more idioms like this. Thanks for watching.